Okay, we hand you back to the MCs. We'll be back straight after.
Another round of applause for 128, such an amazing band. Come on, I can't hear you. I saw some of you grooving to the music that they were playing tonight. And that kind of song you can find or blow the curve only in the classic hits. How's everybody feeling tonight? I can see some people here who are dancing, singing songs, even some music. Please move up. Why are you shy? Come through to FPC stage, Gold FM night. And we hope you enjoy the music just as much as we enjoy coming. Now, since the kids are having that fun all the time, tonight we want the parents to come up and have some fun too. With surprises. How about that? Bring your parents. That's a rule of law. If you want those prizes, and if she's willing to, bring her up on stage. Where's your dad? Alright, come on. You got not let the kids show you off tonight. Fathers, mothers, uncles, aunties, we want you to come on stage.
Over 25, let's put it that way.
Yeah,
Over 25
over
years
25.
old. This game is for you.
Hey, why be shy? Come on stage.
Meanwhile, this guy over here, his papers up on his face, like covering half of his body. Well,
He's like right from you, but he don't know we can see.
what the hell?
Okay.
Come on, mommies and daddies, aunties and uncles, nanas and papas.
Come up on stage. All right, you want to do it the hard way? We're going to do it the hard way. See me? Go to the ground and get us
One mommy and one daddy.
2 mommies and 2
We
daddies.
want 2 mommies and 2 daddies. We're special today. We want 2 mommies and 2 daddies.
Everything comes in 2, just like it nose up.
Meanwhile,
Look what I saw one there in the scarf. She was tonight. That's one mother.